Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. This ROM is not only for Redmi 5 Rozi but you can install this ROM in every Android devices which is durable supported as this is a GSI ROM. Let's check the specification of this ROM. About phone. This is 360 ROM. Here you can see 360p LT pixel, 2GB RAM, my device RAM, resolution. IMEI number is showing correctly, no problem. Android version you will get Android 9 Pie. Here you can see this ROM is full in Chinese, but you will get the English version also. Here you can see you will get Android 9 5 December and 2018 security patch available in this ROM. Built with Irfan GSI tool. Here you can see this is the full detailed information about the ROM. You can check here. This UI version is version 4.0. This is the latest या कह सकते हैं कि जो अब तक रिलीज हुआ है 360 वाला वही आपको वर्जन मिल जाएगा देखने के लिए. Let's check the specification and features of this ROM. We will check whether the feature works in this ROM or not. First check the Wi-Fi. Here you can see Wi-Fi works perfectly, no problem in Wi-Fi. You can easily connect without any flashing any fixed file. It works properly. I have used MIUI Pi vendor. You can also choose the vendor according to your device. If your Redmi 5, if your device is Redmi 5, so you can choose this. I will show you the installation also. Let's check the hotspot. Hotspot is also working perfectly, no problem in hotspot. You can easily connect the hotspot. My net Wi-Fi is on, so that's why hotspot is taking some time. Here you can see hotspot is working properly, no problem in hotspot. Let's check the hotspot in another device. Here you can see this is my device. Let's check the hotspot, whether it works or not. Here you can see this is Android AP 4987. You can easily connect, no problem in connecting. Hotspot is working perfectly, no problem in hotspot. Bluetooth is also working perfectly, no problem in Bluetooth. Volt is also working perfectly. Even Volt is also working perfectly. No need to flash any fix for Volt. It's working perfectly. Some of the bugs depends upon your vendor, whether you use Oxygen OS, Pixel Experience vendor. Pixel Experience vendor is also working, but in Pixel Experience vendor hotspot is not working. Let's add the notification and status bar. Here you get the notification management. You can manage the apps, notification access. Notification LED light is not working in this ROM. I have flashed the fix also, but it does not work. Blink light, here you can see blink light मिल जाएगी, इन पर वर्क नहीं करती. Real time network speed is also available in this ROM. Net is also working perfectly. Here you can see mobile data is also working. Here is the real time network speed. Display app icon speed is also working. Here are the applications. There are few applications installed in this ROM. I will show you the applications. We can easily install the application. Here the battery performance of this ROM is good. No problem in battery performance. Let's check the smart charging. Here you can see regular power saving, smart power saving, ultra power saving. Here you can see expected to be available 4 hours. Battery level 43 temperature. Here is the off-screen protection. Off-screen protection is also available. Percentage of the battery power. Here you can see percentage is also available. Consumption detail. Let's have the consumption detail of this ROM. Here you can see it is working. I have used the YouTube for 7.08%. Battery dropped 7.08% battery. Standby. Phone idle 0.20%. Screen 5.946%. Approximate battery information you can check. Let's have the display. Brightness level is also working perfectly, no problem in brightness level. Here you can see, but it is not very dim. If you lower the brightness, it is not quite good at lowering the brightness. Percentage is also working. Eye comfort is also 100% working, no problem in eye comfort. Intensity, you can set the intensity also. It was perfectly no problem. There is no restart. Adaptive brightness is also working, but not perfectly in some cases. Themes is also working perfectly, no problem in applying the themes. You can easily apply the themes. Let's check it is setting. Here you can see this will take few seconds, sorry. Here you can see our theme has been applied. It was perfectly no problem. Here are the apps. Here you can see you can easily uninstall this. Here you can see you can easily uninstall the applications. Magis App Manager is installed, but your device is not rooted. Here you can see we will also check the Geo application if it works or not. Here you can see we can easily uninstall, no problem. Open. Here you can see each and every Chinese application get uninstalled. Here is the sleep. Here you can see these are the fonts. Fonts also working perfectly, no problem. Online font is available. The wallpapers you can easily apply, no problem in applying wallpapers also. Auto rotate screen. Font size you can increase or decrease. It is default. I have to decrease the size to work perfectly. Even at default font size it is larger. Magazine unlock. Here is the magazine. Here you can see show recommendation. These are the features of that side window. I will show you. Power Master is also available in this ROM. Here you can see one touch cooling down is feature is also available. It works perfectly, no problem. You can easily cool down your phone. Battery performance is good and not average. It's good. Storage, here you can see 8.73 GB storage available in the device. Let's check the security, whether the fingerprint works or not. Face unlock does not work. I will show you. Let's check the fingerprint first. How fast is the fingerprint? Re-enter your. Let's add. Here you can see enroll fingerprint. Fingerprint is working perfectly. Vibration is also working. I have enrolled the fingerprint. Let's finish and let's check the speed also. Tap. Speed is average. Fingerprint speed is average. Here you can see it takes lots of time to unlock your device. It's average. Fingerprint is not good. Face unlock does not work. I will show you. Here you can see continue. Camera is occupied. It says camera is occupied. It does not work. There is no fix available. App unlock is also working perfectly, no problem in app lock. Pattern, you can draw the pattern also. Yes, redraw your pattern. Okay. Lock, at least your questions you have to skip. You have to answer this question. It works perfectly, no problem in app lock also. File manager, I will show you that file manager is locked. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem in app lock. Show password. Location is also working perfectly, no problem in location. Let's check the sound also. Sound is 100% working perfectly, no problem in sound. Silent mode is also working perfectly, no vibration is also working perfectly. Each and every feature से मतलब ये bugs are minimum in this ROM. Care mode, here is the care mode. आपको care mode मिल जाएगा. Here I don't know how to go back. I don't know how to go back. Care mode is working perfectly, no problem in care mode. You can enable or disable it. Child mode is also working perfectly, no problem in child mode. 360 transfer, you can easily transfer from 360, but a new phone you can easily transfer files. Source accessibility is also available. Digital well-being is also available. You have to flash the open gaps on. You have to flash the flame gaps to use Google services. I have flashed the open gaps. Flame. I have flashed the flame gaps. Here the gestures, navigation gestures. You can switch the layout, hide buttons, hide button. Here is the hide button. It is full screen gestures is also available in those ROM. Screenshot gesture, here is the 3 finger screenshot. Let's have the 3 finger screenshot. Whether it works or not. Here you can see it's working perfectly, no problem. Quick screenshot any surface, power button and volume button at the same time. Let's check the quick screenshot also. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem. Gestures call, here the gestures, it works perfectly, no problem. Other features, touch and hold the power button to turn off the screen. Touch and hold the home button to turn off the screen. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem. In my device, all the sensors are working perfectly, no problem. System update is not available in this ROM. Show memory info. Here is the memory info. 1.36 GB after 2 of G used. Here you can see. You can easily clear. Let's check the Geo application. Geo application will not work in this ROM as it will say your device is rooted. But my device is not rooted. GSI ROMs does not support Geo. Here you can see device rooted device is detected, so Geo will not work. Let's check the Play Store is certified or not. It will be not certified. Device is not certified. Here you can see. Safety net. Let's have the safety net. Safety net is not passed. It is failed. I will show you whether it works or not. it During when I record the video, it does not work. It only घूमते रहता है बस और कुछ नहीं करता. Failed है. You have YouTube, and I have installed the YouTube application. You can easily install or directly install or uninstall the application from Play Store. Here are the few applications. Here you can see music application is also available, and the other bug is here you can see always on display is on. There is no option to turn off this display. This will drop your battery very fastly. So here is the bug, always on display is permanently on. And another bug is when you call someone you will not hear any voice from earpiece, from speaker, and mic is also not working. So first you have to click on wipe, then click on format data, then type yes simply. This will erase all your files from the internal storage. Then click on back, then click on advanced wipe, then select double click system vendor data cache. You can see, then swipe to wipe. Now click on install. Here is the vendor plus boot MIUI PyRosy. Then you have to swipe to confirm after selecting. Now it is installing. Here you can see installing boot, patching vendor image. This will take few seconds. Now it has been successfully installed. Now go back. Then you have to click on reboot. Simply click on recovery. Then you have to reboot to recovery. This is mandatory to install this ROM. After wiping, then click on install. Then you have to flash vendor plus boot plus MIUI again. You have to flash this vendor again. This is for Redmi 5 process. This process is only for Redmi 5. Then you have to go back, then you have to click on install image. This is the file. Then you have to click on this, then click on system image. Then you have to swipe to confirm flash. Here you can see our installation has been completed. Then you have to click back, click on back. Then you have to click on install image. Then you have to select permissive. Then you have to swipe to confirm flash. After rebooting your device, you have to come back to again recovery. Then you have to flash flame gaps Android 9 version. All the files link will be in the description. You can check the description also. Now you have to click on back. Do not reboot your device from here. Then you have to click on wipe. Click on advanced wipe. Then you have to click on cache. You have to select only one item from here. Then you have to swipe to wipe. Then click on reboot system. Do not install. Now you have to wait a few minutes. It will take approximate 15 to 20 minutes to boot your device. Depends upon your device vendor. So you have to wait. Then you have to, after waiting for a few minutes, your device will be booted successfully. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.